Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about a very important book which we recently, edited, and that was on higher education. So the objective of that book is actually to understand the transformations which has happened in the higher education, how it has happened, and what were the challenges, what were the issues. We made a lot of, changes in terms of the mode. We started from offline to online, then hybrid, and there were a lot of issues in terms of the technology also. So this book is primarily divided into four themes. It talks about the organization resilience, then it talks about the technology adaptation, then it talks about well-being, and then in the fourth part it talks about the future. So that's quite interesting because well-being of the stakeholders are very important. And when I talk about the stakeholder, this book actually encapsulates all the stakeholders, starting from students, faculty, staff members, top management, and all the other stakeholders who are involved into the higher education. So the whole idea is to co-create a new content in terms of this book, which can actually help all of us in order to deliver effective, higher education objectives and also the content. And primarily, like for example, few of the chapters talk about culture, where transformative leadership can be used, how that is important. Other chapter talks about student well-being, how the technology can enhance the student well-being by creating that balance, because that's very important for the students to manage the balance while they are learning the concepts. Those concepts can be newer concepts, because for them also making an adjustment in a new technology is quite a challenge, and how they are getting adjusted primarily in the developing nation, when we are not having so many lucrative and fast tracked technology, but still we are managing with those technology which are essential and delivering the content without compromising the quality of the higher education. And it also talks about, like Professor Seth has given 3 I's as the framework, which talks about interactivity, integration, and individualization, which is quite important for all of us to understand, and how this particular 3I can be used in the context of higher education. And this whole idea of using AI can also be used into the higher education for developing nations. That is quite interesting to see in that book. Thank you.